To use the oak and birch tree farms, this will be useful for the spruce tree farm too. Have not built it yet. What you're going to do is you're going to ensure there's bone meal inside the farm. You're going to flick this lever. You're going to run around to the entrance, and you're going to grab a stack of saplings, close the door, and hold right click, look into the dirt. Make sure you're not looking at the redstone, that will break the farm. You can also go /player names oak, spawn, and then you can get out, just drop the stack of saplings, make sure they pick it up, and then go /player oak, use continuous. This will make them place it for you, so you do not have to. When you're done using the farm, you can kill the player. Ensure the redstone dust looks the 4-way, does not go down to be a small thing. And then you can put the saplings back. Run around back to the other side. Turn off the farm. Make sure you don't leave the area with the TNT still there, just let it do its thing. All your items are in the chests. That is how to use the oak, birch, and eventually spruce tree farm.